Good morning all. You got Robert Walters here from Mid-Atlantic Remodeling doing an attempted repair on Mr. Kevin Brown's house. Have our shingle here. It's a golden cedar. Here we have a wind damaged area. So we're going to get started. Hard to get these staples out. That's what they used to put it down with. Get that up right there. Oh, they also got it nailed up higher. Oh, my shingle's tearing already. Okay. And this should be the last one. Okay. As you can see, we got a little bit of creasing above here. I'm going to pull the wind damaged shingle out here. I got one more. And we're going to go in with our new shingle. Beautiful day. Okay. Gonna go up top here. Okay. Beautiful color. Color does match, but we're having creasing above this here. You can see there and there. So I should be able to manipulate a shingle like that to get a nail in there perfectly. And as you can see, we have creasing above here. And for me, this roof is too brittle for repair. Thank you so much. Have a great day.